Running out of room but still want a home that feels stylish and functional? These incredible space-saving furniture pieces and smart home design ideas transform even the tiniest areas into something amazing. From hidden storage to multi-use designs, you'll be surprised at what's possible. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Your apartment doesn't have to feel like one room trying to be everything. With the touch of a button, the bed disappears in 30 seconds, leaving you with a bright, open living room. A hidden walk-in closet doubles as a media console, desk, and bookshelf, freeing up precious square footage. Working from home. Fold down the desk and let the sleek facade hide the mess, so your backdrop always looks professional. Give your kitchen the upgrade it deserves with a rolling island that does it all. You've got a spacious countertop for prep, 2 drawers for utensils, and open shelves that keep spices within reach. The best part? A hidden tilt-out cabinet keeps your trash tucked away, making the whole space feel fresher and cleaner. Lock the wheels for a sturdy workstation or roll it wherever you need. It's storage and style on demand. Dinner time just got smarter. This sleek table hides 6 chairs neatly underneath, sliding out only when you need them. No more clutter or mismatched seating. Everything has its place. On top, a built-in revolving tray makes sharing food effortless, keeping conversations flowing while dishes spin within reach. It's the perfect blend of space-saving design and family-friendly function. Say goodbye to noisy bathroom mishaps. This soft-close toilet seat shuts gently every time, so no more slams or pinched fingers. Made from tough, long-lasting material, it's designed to stay fresh and sturdy through daily use. A quick release function makes cleaning effortless. Just pop it off, wipe it down, and snap it back in place. It's a simple upgrade that makes your bathroom smarter, quieter, and easier to maintain. Why choose between a sofa and a bed when you can have both? This pull-out couch transforms into a comfy sleeper in one smooth motion, perfect for overnight guests. A hidden storage chaise gives you space for blankets, pillows, or anything you want close by. Thick cushions keep you supported and cozy whether you're lounging or sleeping. Your coffee table just got a secret upgrade. With a smooth lift, it transforms from a sleek, low-profile table into a full dining setup big enough for a dinner party. Hidden leaves expand the surface so you can seat a crowd without needing extra furniture. Locking wheels and a gas lift system make it easy to move and adjust. It's a space-saving design that's perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. Turn an empty corner into the coziest spot in your home. This L-shaped bench fits neatly into tight spaces, giving you both seating and hidden storage underneath. Lift the seat to tuck away books, blankets, or anything you want out of sight. With its clean lines and modern finish, it blends seamlessly into kitchens, dining nooks, or even entryways. It's a smart, space-saving piece that makes every corner work harder. Step into a shower that feels futuristic. This wall-mounted system gives you a rainfall-style experience, while the LED display shows the water temperature, so there are no surprises when you step in. Built-in storage racks keep your soaps and shampoos within easy reach, cutting down on clutter. The copper mixer ensures steady water flow and long-lasting durability. At first glance, it looks like a slim console hugging the wall, but hidden inside is a full dining table waiting to unfold. With built-in extensions, it expands in seconds to seat 6 or more guests comfortably. When the meal is over, just collapse it back into its compact frame to save space. It's a clever solution for small apartments that still love hosting big moments. Closet feeling cramped? These clever hangers let you stack multiple pieces on one rack, instantly freeing up space. You can hang them vertically or horizontally, keeping clothes organized and wrinkle-free. Smooth edges protect your hands and fabrics, so nothing snags or creases. Perfect for small apartments, dorms, or anyone who loves a tidy wardrobe. They make your closet feel twice as big without adding extra rods or shelves. Your closet, garage, or dorm just got an instant upgrade. This collapsible bin gives you tons of storage when you need it and folds flat when you don't. The sturdy build means it can handle heavy loads, but it's still lightweight with easy grip handles so you can carry it anywhere. You can stack them neatly on top of each other, making the most of every inch of space. Practical, eco-friendly, and built to last. Tight spots don't have to stay cluttered. This slim rolling cart slides right into those narrow gaps where nothing else fits, instantly giving you extra shelves. 4 tiers hold bathroom essentials, pantry goods, or cleaning supplies, all easy to grab at a glance. The wheels rotate smoothly so you can move it anywhere, and you can even adjust it into a smaller shelf if needed. Simple, sturdy, and super versatile. Your books don't just sit, they spin. This rotating bookshelf takes a boring stack and turns it into a neat 360 degrees display. 4 tiers give you plenty of space for novels, plants, or collectibles, all easy to reach with a quick turn. Its slim design tucks into corners, making the most of small spaces while keeping things stylish. A mini library that doubles as decor right in your room. Say goodbye to messy piles and hello to order. These foldable storage baskets stack neatly to turn wasted space into organized layers. Perfect for clothes, toys, or even kitchen items, each bin is sturdy yet lightweight, making setup a breeze. When you don't need them, they fold flat so nothing goes to waste. A simple, stylish way to keep every corner of your home clutter-free. A seat, a storage box, and a style upgrade all in one. This folding Ottoman bench holds blankets, books, or clothes inside while giving you a comfy spot to sit or rest your feet. The sturdy build can handle serious weight, yet it folds flat when you don't need it. Soft fabric and tufted design make it look elegant in any room. Practical, versatile, and always useful. Big storage doesn't have to take up big space. These 5-tier bins stack neatly, giving you plenty of room for clothes, snacks, or office supplies. The front opening lids make grabbing what you need easy. No unstacking required. Wheels let you roll the whole unit wherever it's needed, and it snaps together quickly with no fuss. Strong, stylish, and foldable. It's storage made simple. Dry your clothes without hogging space. This tripod rack pops open to hold plenty of garments, then folds flat when you're done. The sturdy design stays balanced while keeping clothes lifted for faster drying indoors or outdoors. You can expand or collapse the arms depending on how much laundry you've got. Simple, portable, and practical, it's the easy answer to bulky drying racks. Corners don't have to go to waste. This rotating triangle shelf fits snugly into a 90-degree corner, instantly turning dead space into smart storage. The front cover keeps your items dust-free, while the shelves spin so you can grab things with ease. Perfect for cosmetics, toiletries, or kitchen essentials, it keeps everything tidy and within reach. Easy to set up, no drilling required. Your wall just became a workstation. This fold-out desk opens up to give you a roomy spot for work or study, then folds flat to save space when you're done. Built-in shelves hold books and supplies, while the blackboard front is perfect for reminders or quick notes. Strong, stable, and modern, it's ideal for small apartments or home offices. Smart design that works as hard as you do. No more cluttered counters. This rotating basket rack keeps produce, snacks, or pantry items neatly stored and always within reach. The 5 spacious tiers swivel smoothly, while the mesh design allows airflow to keep fruits and veggies fresh. Sturdy wheels make it easy to roll wherever it's needed, and the tall sides prevent anything from falling out. Your bedroom deserves a table that works as hard as it looks good. This slim nightstand slides neatly into tight spaces, giving you storage without crowding the room. Drawers and a cabinet keep your bedtime essentials organized and dust-free. Solid wood construction with tapered legs means it stays steady and built to last. With cord holes in the back, charging your devices is simple and clutter-free. Imagine adjusting your window shades without even leaving the couch. These motorized blinds glide open and shut at the touch of a button, giving you instant privacy or full sunlight whenever you want. The blackout fabric keeps your room dark, perfect for sleeping in, watching movies, or staying cool on hot days. You can control them by remote, app, or even your voice. Getting ready just got a serious upgrade. This wall-mounted mirror hides a full jewelry cabinet behind it, keeping all your treasures neat and secure. Inside, there's room for earrings, necklaces, rings, and even makeup tools, so you'll never waste time searching again. Built-in LED lights and an interior mirror make trying on jewelry or doing makeup effortless. It locks too, giving you both style and peace of mind. Movie nights will never be the same again. This power reclining sofa lets you sink into plush comfort with just the touch of a button. Heated seats and an air massage system turn your living room into a mini spa. A drop-down center table with cup holders and USB ports keeps snacks and devices close at hand. Diamond-stitched upholstery and built-in LED lights add that luxury theater vibe right at home. Small space? Big solution. This clever C-shaped table slides right under your sofa, bed, or chair, giving you a handy surface exactly where you need it. The height adjusts, and the top swivels 360 degrees, making it perfect for laptops, snacks, or even breakfast in bed. Built-in wheels let you roll it anywhere with ease. Sturdy, stylish, and easy to clean. It's a side table that does it all.